G'day guys, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I just wanted to show you something. I mean, when we sell cellulose fibre insulation, it all comes in reusable bags, and we empty them out in the machine, pump it into your roof, and then bring the bags back and refill them every time. So might refill them 1,000 times, I don't know. But when you buy Batts, they all come in plastic bags, and this is just, you know, our two trailers here. So this one here and that one over there, and we just fill those up with these plastic bags that are left over from bat jobs. So that's you know, a whole bag full of bags there, and I mean, there's some other rubbish in there from sites and things. Fibreglass bats, they all come in those wrappers. You know, here's some old foil out of roofs. So that's you know, this is the earth wall ones. They're particularly hard plastic. So all of this ends up in landfill. Just bags full of bags, you know. And out of one job, this whole bag here full, you know, like a average size house, it'd have 2 of those bags full of plastic. So that's about, you know, it's probably about 2 or 3 weeks worth of rubbish from us in that trailer there, and but we don't do a lot of bat jobs. That's just a couple of bat jobs a week, you know. Anyway, all right. So so that's another reason why the cellulose fibre is a lot better product to use and a lot more environmentally friendly. There's just no rubbish left over, and you know, the product's guaranteed for life against fire and vermin, and it's pumped in so there's no gaps. It's a fantastic product, and it uses 1/20th of the energy to produce as what fiberglass does in the first place, and then there's no rubbish left over when you're done. So, and if you ever want to, you know, pull it out or whatever, we can vacuum it out in 20 years time. Like, I've had jobs where, you know, 20 years later we can vacuum it out and pump it into another job. You know, it's just such a good product. Whereas all the fiberglass that you pull out after it's been in a roof for 20 years, there's no way in the world that's going back into another job. It's just rubbish. Alright, so I'll leave that with you. Food for thought.